Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add story from your gallery on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. So let's just do it, okay? And then here you want to click on the image icon at the left side of the capture button, okay? So now you want to click on camera roll. And now you can choose any pictures or photos that you want to put in your story. And now you can now edit the picture, whatever you want to put on it, a text, a stickers. Then once you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on this arrow at the lower right corner of your screen. And then now you want to click on my story and just click the arrow, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.